is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a no-obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Tis James, Attorney General Tis James, we love you here at Ask the Lawyer, Figueroa and Associates, Caribbean American Weekly, Workers' World Today, the Immigrant Journal. Why? Because for every office you have been elected for, you have done your job. And we are proud of your charges on fraud against KKK Russian Trump. Wow. No wonder there's no money left to lend blacks and Latinos. He gets all the money in the world with fraudulent tax returns, fraudulent documents, and hey, we can't even get through the front door. Legit businesses in the black Latino minority communities. It's a shame. But KKK Russian Trump was right. Why did the banks give him those loans? And having the experience as a banker, a loans officer, and working with the curatorizing loans, yes, I know that banks don't just take the information from obviously the customers, their clients in the bank. It means that whatever information KKK Russian Trump gave to his bankers, those bankers was complicit. And those bankers need to go to prison, our Attorney General Tish James. Not only that, New York City, hey, the place for all bankers. Yeah. All these bankers in New York City, what they have done in the past is have a low homestead exemption for people who file for foreclosure to save their homes. At one time, the homestead exemption in New York City was $10,000. At that same time, in Florida, it was $500,000, and in Texas, it was unlimited. And the homestead exemption is the only equity you could keep in your property if you go into foreclosure. And you file for bankruptcy relief under a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And all those Democrats who control, and all those governors who have been Democrats, they allow the banking industry in New York City to verbally SCREW its clients. Yeah. That's what has happened. We lose our homes. You understand what I'm saying? With all the equity that we have saved to supplement our pensions, and then the banks just come and take it away because, okay, we are a little broke. So Trump is treated like, and other rich folks, white people are treated with this red carpet, using our money to do their crimes, and nothing is left for our homestead exemptions to be higher or other issues. Governor Hochul, the Speaker for the Assembly, the Speaker for the State Senate, you guys need to do your jobs. Maybe what we needed was a governor like Tish James. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. At the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, we do our jobs, we do thorough investigations, and with my background in accounting, economics, banking, and law, you get a very qualified attorney to work with you. I've been serving the Kings County, New York City community for 26 years. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Again, congratulations, Attorney General Tish James. I'm hoping that your next step would be to be the governor of New York State. The one that we have now running for the Democrats, Governor Hochul, she doesn't have of the integrity that you have. It's like, is it Governor Hochul or this Trump-addicted Republican running for governor? It's like, in terms of our choice for governor. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. So we don't keep secrets here at Figueroa and Associates, obviously, only client information. We tell it like it is. We represent you vigorously because you give us your problem, we want to win. And if you do not have a winning situation, we'll be honest with you. You know, one of the discussions that we have had with different district attorney offices in New York City is, when is it malpractice? When it is fraud. Fraud is a specific intent crime. But some attorneys, they behave in a way that they're not too smart. And that is why we always say to our listeners, you get a second opinion, a third opinion. And when people make promises to you, you should ask more questions as to how they will attain those legal goals for you. I've met many clients from the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America, locally our African American brothers and sisters, and when they interact with white people, it's like if, you know, they still give a kind of like respect that is not due. When you deal with white folks, you always have to remember they are your former slave owners. They are the same people who had restrictions for you where you could live. It's called separatism laws, and they always try to suppress our votes. To this day, 2022. So white people in general has done nothing for us. We have fought and lost lives for the comforts that we have in life that they have now, and which, you know, they take for granted, because that wealth that they have accumulated is through our blood and sweat. Anyone who owns a business and your labor is free, as in slavery, hey, your business will prosper, believe me, if you don't have to pay your employees. Similarly, the type of wages that they pay us is slave wages. So they make a big profit off our slave wages. Why would you think that you could trust white folks with your legal representation, with your business, with your life, when history has shown who they are and what they do? It doesn't matter. I always say to my colleagues, at the end of the day, white folks go back to their neighborhoods, right? Whether they be Republican or whether they're Democrat, and they really don't care about our welfare. In fact, they have us like little puppets. One of the organizations that I've, had real problems here in New York City is the Working Families Party. And again, that's like white liberals, white socialists who want to tell black and brown people what to do. So they're puppets. People like, obviously, the public advocate. And who is him? Yeah, check it out. Your public advocate, he's one of their puppets. He doesn't show leadership quality. He doesn't advocate as a public advocate for us in the manner in which he should. And because of that, our suffering, whether it be police misconduct, whether it be these slum landlords, it continues. They give us reports, but they don't give us what? Litigation. And that's the difference between the Attorney General and the public advocate. One is result-orientated. She goes with the jugular. And the other is a passive boy taking direction. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, it's www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Don't be selfish. Tell them about someone, a law firm that is great, that will get the job done for you. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.